It gotta be a better way to get this cheese, huh? Dirty money, clean my problems, hit me if you need some. You could get it 2 for 10, got you if you need one. No coincidence, they only hit me when they need some. Young nigga wanna be a baller, can't be no rerun. Nigga, once it leave my hand, you can't get no refund. Tryna little boy, nigga, I might have to tweet some. Playing with no keys, I might fuck around and delete some. Them niggas wanna be a shot caller until them shots call ya. A nigga only live once, so I might raw dog her. Stick it in the pelvis, gotta call me a father.
I missed that. I'm a real bucket getter.
Hey man, say man, free my nigga Rich, man. Watch bitch, don't watch me. You heard that? 20 bowls on her. It went by 10. Bro, hit my phone, you know I'm trying to spin. 20 bowls on the line, I told my brother, bring it in. Living in the lion's den. Every day I'm trying to win. I pray to God, forgive my sins. He know I'm thugging to the end. It went by 10. Bro, hit my phone, you know I'm trying to spin. 20 bowls on the line.
All right, YouTube, we're back, you guys. We just did a lot of stuff for like the reels, so I'm gonna probably put those reels here, or if you've seen them on Instagram, then you've seen them on Instagram. But yeah, so let's see, we're on like high alert for humans, guys. We're like watching them all. It's like a human watch party. Let's see. Tester.
Stop saying huh.
Oh, you looked at me and I was like, huh? You see how like the lighting looks though? It's kind of cool, right? Yeah.
It's that dark.
Cause all the light is back there.
I have so much energy for no reason.
I ain't gonna lie, I love it though. You never have that in videos.
Never.
You have it today, it's great.
I have the worst balance in life.
Guys, Kay has the worst balance. No one knows. Oh, these are cute. Yeah, these are cute. It's like it's like giving like, where the fuck are you? But like, so we chose to take a tank top to the forest. Yeah, I know. I actually don't know what she was thinking, but 100% her idea. Oh, that's cute. Hold it. Go back. There we go. Yep. I don't care. Do you have a towel? All right. I don't care. I don't give a fuck. I don't know how it goes. But like, isn't it like, this is the piece that you cannot find? Find me.
Free mind.
Yeah, that's it. Free mind.
Oh, the person is called Tim.
Yeah, her name's Tim's. Amazing thing. I was thinking that too. The life of living on the go. So just like only wet the front of it then. Don't wet the back of the shirt too much. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, there we go. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Come on, Taxi, more dialogue. Fuck, I don't know what to say. I'm like, they like when I talk, but it's like, I don't even know what to say. I'm like, bro, it looks good. So like, what else do I say, y'all boys? Like, y'all be like, bro, talk. I'm like, bro, what the fuck I'm supposed to say? I don't like, what I'm supposed to say. Hey, police hit me over and then come on. Okay, over. There we go, yep. Oh, that's cute. There we go, yep. Yep. Hold on, there we go, yep. Take the joint, yep. Oh yeah, it's giving like, where the hell is, whoa, this is a cool ass shot. Oh man. Okay, knees turn towards me. Both knees, scoot over. Yep, you got it. Now turn towards me. Yep, just like that. There we go, yeah, there we go. Yeah, there we go. Bro, this is like, where the fuck is she at? Turn to your right side. Turn that way. There we go. Yeah. Let me see. There we go. Oh, yeah. Oh, I'm in the way of that bit. Oh, yeah. This is cool. Hold it. There we go. I'm playing with the reflection, y'all boys. Yeah, that's cute. Yeah. One more. Thank you guys, man. Make sure to stay tuned for tomorrow's episode. I love you guys, bro. It's been a run, man. It's been a run. We've been having a lot of fun, man. If you guys want to see more stuff like this, please let me know. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead and follow us on Instagram. Pretty Little K on Instagram and taxi.png on Instagram. Both of our Instagrams are always going to be in the description of every single YouTube video. man, it's been a run, bro. It's been a run of consistency, every single thing, guys. So please tap in with us. Make sure that you follow. Make sure that you're liking, you're viewing. It's free to you, but this costs a lot of us. You know what I'm saying? It costs a lot of time, effort, sometimes money for props and things like that. And, you know, we're chasing our dreams, man. So I appreciate you guys, you know what I'm saying, showing us that you guys care by liking, commenting, subscribing, letting us know what else you guys want to see. If you want to see more, at least just say it, you know, so we know that we're not just doing this for no reason. But just make sure to share this with a photographer or a model that may find any of this information is helpful. If you haven't watched the last episode, go watch it. If you haven't watched tomorrow's episode, go watch that one as well. But until next time,
Taxi.
I love you guys. We're out. Yeah.
Hey man, say man, free my nigga Rich man. Watch bitch, don't watch me. You heard that? 20 bowls on her. Put me in, it went by 10. Bro, hit my phone, you know I'm trying to